Hello, I am going to go on a trip to the Amazon, the city river that runs through our continent. I will leave next Tuesday, November 23, from the city of Bogota non-stop to the city of Leticia. I will stay on the Suruma Hotel, and when I arrive, will go straight to lunch immediately since I will be very hungry for the trip. And I will spend 10 days getting to know this great place. I am going to go on tour that will take my big boat along the river and I will descend to the sea ecological service on its bank knowing the vegetation and with the probability of seeing exotic animals and even large snakes such the anaconda, whose reputation makes it very far by all. The total cost of the trip will be $800. Thank you.